Hello students, I am CS Patel from MCGM वर्चुअल क्लास मुंबई। बच्चों, इस वर्ष वैश्विक महामारी के चलते अध्ययन अध्यापन का कार्य प्रभावित हो रहा है। But students, our Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation has started online education for all. So students, now let us start.
Students, yes, standard 4th, and you are seeing your English textbook, My English Book 4, standard 4. So students, subject English, and today's lesson is one at a time. Okay students, so we will practice this lesson one at a time. Yes, one at a time. Today's lesson, and students, myself CS Patel from Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. So students, now let's start. Lesson name, one at a time. Listen carefully and read with me. Listen carefully, read with me. Priya liked sweets. So listen carefully and read with me. So students, listen carefully. तो बच्चों ध्यान से सुनिए and read with me. Yes, so practice करना है. Priya liked sweets. Okay, now say Priya liked sweets. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. Okay students, so repeat. Her granny had a jar full of sweets. So students, see, her granny had a jar full of sweets. Full of sweets. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. Okay, so read with me. She gave Priya one sweet at a time. Okay, but Priya wanted more. Okay, say it again. But Priya wanted more. Many more. But Priya wanted more. Many more. Okay, listen carefully and read with me. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. Okay, repeat it. She quickly put her hand in the jar of sweets. See students, yes, so Priya is putting her hand, yes, in the jar of sweets. Okay, what happened? See further. ध्यान से देखिए बच्चों. She took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. Okay, repeat it. She took 1, 2, 5, 10, many. Okay students, so what happened? See further. But her hand was stuck in the jar. Okay students, see here. But her hand was stuck in the jar. Stuck. See students, yes, in your mother tongue we say stuck, यानी फंसना, फंस गया. Yes, jar में उसका हाथ फंस गया. But her hand was stuck in the jar. She could not take it out. She could not take it out. Then what happened? She began to cry. Okay, repeat it, read it. She began to cry. Oh, what shall I do? Oh, what shall I do? Okay, repeat it. Oh, what shall I do? Let go of the sweets, said her granny. Let go of the sweets, said her granny. राइट बच्चों, तो देखिए दादी ने कहा लेट गो ऑफ द स्वीट्स. तो बच्चों देखिए लालच में बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट्स पकड़ लिया था, तो दादी ने क्या सलाह दी? लेट गो ऑफ द स्वीट्स, सेड हर ग्रैनी. What happened next? See, listen carefully and read with me. Priya let go of some sweets. Still her hand would not come out. Okay, read with me. Priya let go of some sweets. Still her hand would not come out. She let go of some more sweets. यस बच्चों, तो उसने कुछ और मिठाइयाँ और स्वीट्स कुछ छोड़ी. हाथ में बहुत ज़्यादा पकड़ लिया था. She let go of some more sweets. See here. Now there was only one in hand. Now there was only one in her hand. Okay, read it. Now there was only one in her hand. Her hand came out of the jar easily. Okay students, so now see left side. Yes, only one in her hand, and now her hand came out of the jar easily. राइट, तो बाहर आसानी से निकल गया. ये जैसे ही उसने पकड़ा, हर हैंड केम आउट ऑफ द जार इजली. ओके, सो लिसन केयरफुली एंड रीड विथ मी. शी बिगेन टू स्माइल. शी बिगेन टू स्माइल एंड लुक्ड एट ग्रैनी. शी बिगेन टू स्माइल and looked at her granny. She means Priya. Yes, she began to smile and looked at her granny. Okay, repeat it. She began to smile and looked at her granny. Granny smiled too. Granny smiled too. And what happened further? Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. Okay, repeat it. Okay, so Priya said, now I will take only one at a time. Okay, read it. Now I will take only one at a time. Yes, एक समय में एक की बात कही जा रही है. राइट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सी हियर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, डोंट बी सो ग्रीडी. राइट. सो नाउ आई विल टेक ओनली वन एट अ टाइम. ओनली वन एट अ टाइम. सो डोंट बी सो ग्रीडी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई थिंक यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया.
So students, subscribe BMC channel and press the bell icon to get our notifications. Students, we have completed today's session. So work hard. We will meet later. Thank you very much.